understand your speech. You give everyday analogies to describe how hackers manipulate themselves into our computer system. You also pass email samples around. You also try to use humor to enhance your rather technical talk by referring to the POE man as a good-looking guy. Where you could have done better was in the case of the title. Your title referred to the greatest. Who is the greatest enemy of all? Greatest connotes that there should be 3 or more parties. In your case, you only referred to 2. So perhaps your title should be, who is the greater enemy? The other thing is that now this is a very technical subject, and it could have been better to put them on the projector so that the members of the audience can follow it better. The other thing is, in passing the sample emails around, it is distracting. Because while the audience are looking at your emails, they are distracted from listening to your speech. And the emails that is passed around, they are not able to discern which part they are supposed to look at. So for that one, it is very good. It would have been very good if you had put it on the projector and even highlight to them, all right, this is what happens, this is what they look for, etc. That would have been more powerful to get us to get to your point. And your message was that you were trying to tell us that the second type of hackers was more ominous. Perhaps you could share us some statistics. So that, yeah, statistics shows that most of the crimes, cyber crimes, was related to the second type of hackers. And then that would really push and get us to your point. In conclusion, you had good speech, organization, and you tried to enliven your technical speech with some humor. You could improve on your speech title and use a projector to explain your topics, the ideas better, and give some statistics. All in, you show great promise for more good speeches to come.